Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to make a seafood fried rice. So I have one small bowl of this is the frozen crab meat. Now I did prep the frozen crab meat a little bit because I find that usually the frozen crab meat has a bit of lesser flavor and it's a little bit too much liquid inside. So what I did just now is I quickly saute it and then add in a bit of white pepper and also fish sauce and saute away the extra liquid. Now this is, I have few pieces of prawn here, deveined, yeah, deshelled and deveined, only leaving the leg, the tail. And I have some spring onion, 2 eggs, and this is approximately 1.5 cups of pre-cooked white rice, pre-cooked about a couple of hours. I'm going to show you how you can make your fried rice easier to be fried later. One way, it is for you to put in some oil, and I'm actually going to put in some garlic oil here. So this is already flavored. So this rice later immediately will have garlic, fried garlic flavor. I don't mind mixing a bit of fried garlic inside also. Okay. So you want to mix all this up. So later it will be easier for you to fry because of this oil. Right, let's go and prepare the wok. Let's give it a little bit of oil and heat it up. Once the oil has been heated up, let's put in the prawn first. We will saute this prawn for about a minute plus before we continue. That will make it at least half cooked. This is after approximately 1.5 minutes. The prawn is like half cooked already. Ooh, very fragrant. I can smell the prawn. Let's put the prawn aside and I'm going to put in the egg. And let's prepare the rice at the side. Stand by. Ooh, so beautiful. Look at this. I like when my cooking looks very beautiful. And egg always helps. I'm using free-range egg, so it's a bit more orangey in color. Right, when it is like half cooked like this, we can actually put in the rice. Whoops. Let's mix everything up nicely together. You will notice it's easier to stir fry now because of the garlic oil earlier, yeah? So not only it makes it easier to fry, it also helps to pre-flavored your rice with garlic flavor. Always keep some garlic oil at home. Either you make it yourself or you just buy from wet market or supermarket. Very easy. See, so easy to make the rice into individual grain. Separate them, very easy. Like previously, I had to keep on pressing. You don't see me pressing a lot this round, right? It is all because of the garlic oil. It does wonders, yeah? Right. Don't forget, today we are not making prawn fried rice, we are actually making seafood fried rice. So, I'm going to add in the crab meat. I'll leave some behind for garnishing later. Let me double check the focus. Let's mix everything up nicely together. Almost done actually. The prawn is already like fully cooked right now. You always don't want to fully overcook your prawn as well. Now we need to give it some seasoning. Let's tune down the fire a bit. First of all, a pinch of fine salt. Some of my Cooking Apa chicken stock powder. Those interested, you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore or any NVIDIA restaurant throughout the whole Malaysia. Some light soya sauce, premium light soya sauce here, okay? Now we can raise the heat. Ooh, I can smell the light soya sauce. Take note, I actually put the light soya sauce at the side so that it has direct contact with the hot wok. The hot temperature is going to bring out the flavor of the light soya sauce even better. Almost done. Spring onion, just to give it a bit of veggie, yeah? And top it out with some white pepper. Give it a last few stir, and our beautiful aromatic seafood fried rice is ready to be served. Whew. Super fragrant. Let me show you how it's served. So here's my seafood fried rice. And I'm going to put the crab meat on the side. So you know this one has crab meat inside, okay? Let's give it a bit of fried garlic also. Alright, done. So I hope you like my very simple seafood fried rice video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Apa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Apa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Enjoy your dinner with your family. Bye bye.